Welcome, advanced English learners and enthusiasts around the world. Have you ever felt that learning a new language, especially English, feels as daunting as scaling the highest mountains or exploring the deepest oceans? Well, you're not alone. To help you conquer this, let's draw inspiration from the mindset of extraordinary adventurers, including mountain climbers, extreme sports athletes, and even astronauts. These individuals face incredible challenges and fears, much like what you might be experiencing with English. Let's start with Alex Honnold, a world-renowned rock climber known for his incredible feat of free soloing El Capitan. He overcame fear to accomplish the extraordinary. Now, just as Alex Honnold couldn't climb El Capitan in a day, you can't expect to become fluent in English overnight. His journey took dedication, practice, and mental preparation. Similarly, your journey to English fluency will require patience, perseverance, and a solid plan. But it's not just climbers. Think of extreme sports athletes who continually push the boundaries of what's possible, or astronauts who leave the familiar ground to explore the unknown. They all share a common trait. They face their fears and embrace challenges. Just as these adventurers do, we can face our fear of learning and speaking English. Let's explore fear a bit. It's a primal response designed to protect us from danger, but sometimes it can inhibit us from learning new things, such as speaking a new language. Studies have shown that fear can affect our cognitive abilities, including memory and attention. But the good news is, we can manage fear. The first step is understanding and accepting that it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Even the most daring adventurers make mistakes. They learn from these mistakes and use them to improve, to plan better, and to anticipate future challenges. And this is precisely the mindset we need to embrace in our own English learning journey. When we make a grammar error or stumble over new vocabulary, instead of feeling defeated, we should see it as an opportunity to learn and improve. And now, I'd like to introduce you to a great platform where you can apply everything we've discussed today. The Explearning Academy, our private, members-only global community. The Explearning Academy is a community designed specifically for individuals who are eager to conquer their fear of learning English and their communication skills. In this community, we provide multiple live workshops every week that target the very obstacles we've been talking about today. These workshops are designed not just to teach, but to offer you opportunities to practice speaking and communicating in a safe and supportive environment. We believe that with practice comes confidence, and with confidence, the fear of learning English significantly decreases. At the Explearning Academy, we acknowledge that learning a new language is a journey filled with ups and downs, but we also understand that you don't have to undertake this journey alone. So come on and join us at the Explearning Academy, where we turn fear into fun, challenges into opportunities, and learners into confident speakers. So, inspired by the mindset of these amazing adventurers, let's conquer our fear and take our English learning journey to new heights. Remember, every adventurer started from the bottom, and with persistence, patience, and courage, you can climb your own language learning mountain. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. And that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe for more inspiration and tips to improve your English learning journey and communication. See you in the next video. Happy advanced English learning.